Welcome to Everlast Tech Support. Today we're going to be showing you how to perform a factory reset on your DPI MIG welder. You'll need to start by switching the process to double pulse MIG mode, and then to access the setup menu, you'll press and hold down the mode button for 5 seconds until the setup LED illuminates. Now you're able to use the select parameter arrows to toggle through the other settings until you see load defaults. To confirm the selection, you will use the voltage control knob and rotate the dial 1 increment. You will then see the display begin to flash. Once the display has stopped flashing, we'll wait 5 more seconds before pressing the mode button to exit and return to the home screen. Thank you for working with us today, and don't forget to like and subscribe.